You know, at the Next Bite, all of us are obviously hardcore fishermen, but we also do a lot of hunting and, you know, basically have to take care of our yard as well too throughout the summer. And one of the things I wanted to talk about here is this machine sitting behind me. We have well over 100 hours on this machine over the past year, and this is a Tracker Off-Road 800 SX Crew Cab. First thing you can obviously tell is it's a huge machine. And that's something that really works pretty well for myself. I have two young kids, 7 and 9. You know, my wife, I have 2 dogs, and to be honest, all of us have been in this thing a bunch. But you'll notice a premium cab on here too, right? Enclosed cab. I actually have this thing heated. And one of the things that you want to pay attention to with any of these UTVs is if you have a heated cab, something that's very important to have to add as an option is actually the windshield wiper on the window, because as you're running that heat inside, that windshield specifically on the outside is going to get stuff on, and then you need that windshield wiper. So something that we've actually learned throughout the past few years with these enclosed cabs. But the thing I want to really talk about is what we did to this machine for setting it up for ice fishing. So I do have tracks for this machine, and being able to put tracks on this machine just makes it an unbelievable machine for ice fishing. Obviously with the room you can fit 3 to 4 grown men in, you can get all your gear out to your spot, you can tow multiple shacks behind this thing, but all in comfort with the heat inside the cab. So very, very good machine. What I also say is I talked about plowing my driveway before. You know, with the tracks, it is absolutely incredible how much power this thing has. So literally, the options are endless in the whole Tracker Off-Road lineup. I think you're going to be really impressed with what they all have to offer.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.